everyone, in this video we would like to share with you about how to print the Sublimation Poly PU series of products. Sublimation Poly PU was designed and developed by LOPO specifically, and this series of the material is a kind of fabric, but it has, if you touch it, it has leather filling, pure leather filling, and it is waterproofed. It took us about 2 years to get these materials to be ready, and we got the pillowcases, notebook, and some other products to be ready based on this material. If you have any idea for this kinds of material to make any other types of products, let us know. We are always willing to listen. And today I do the printing demo with the notebook. This is how the notebook be packed. It's A5 size, and after printing it will be like this. It's really nice. See? Okay, and let's move into the printing demo. What you need to prepare for printing is blanks, printed paper, which is designed by template by our graphic designer. Again, we have templates ready. If you need it, please contact our sales. We're always happy to share. And some cleaning cloths to make the printing surface to be clean and tidy. Heat protective glove, which is very important because after printing it will be really hot. And heat resistant tape. Again, heat presses. That's all what you need to prepare before printing. Okay, let's do the printing demo. Firstly, you need to make sure that you located the blank cover at the right direction. What is the right direction? You can see this is a printed notebook that is elastic for you to hold the cover front that looks nice and tidy. So this is how you to make sure that you are at the right direction. Okay, open the cover, show that the elastic is here. So the logo, this is the up direction. So always need to do it in this way. So this is to make sure you are put at the right direction. Means that this is front page, this is back page. Okay, and located in the right direction and right position. Right position means that the four corner will leave more or less the same gap. This is the border. Okay, because this design is made by templates from our graphic designer, so that you can see that four border do not have any specific design and it's more or less the same. Okay, next we're going to use heat tape to tape it. Okay, always tape it. And for me, I usually just do it at two sides. Some crafters maybe put all the way, or I think two is good enough. And you can see I have these kinds of jigs here. Yeah, because you can see here it has in the middle you have a little bit gap. So you need to use this kinds of. This is made by silicone pad. It's soft. You can use silicone pad, or you can whatever which is soft as a spongy, but need to be heat resistant as a jig. If you do not have it, you can also contact our sales. We can offer it to you. Yeah, and like this, put it. Okay. So now I think we're ready to move into the printing. Let's do the printing demo. Today we're going to use our pre-smart wing heat presses by Galaxy Press. And the printing parameter we need is 180 degrees, which is 360 degrees Fahrenheit at a minute. Okay, so we already set up the presses, means that pressure, time, temperature is ready to go. And we just swing the heat presses away and use a Teflon sheet to cover the lower platen, which is very important because this is meant to protect this lower platen from getting dirty during printing, because you see you always have a border. Okay, and located this jig in the middle to make sure that the pressure is even. Yeah, make sure it's located in the center. Yeah. Now we are ready to go and to print the Sublimation sub-poly material. You need medium pressure, it's good enough. Only this notebook you need to have these jigs. if you would like to do full printing. Yeah, for pillows, you do not need it. Okay, let's wait for about a minute to see how the printing result it will be. Okay, get your glove ready and let's see how the printing result looks like. Okay, tear off the paper. See, it's really nice. Every corner printed. This is we call it Sublimate PU material. Actually, it's a kind of fabric, but it has PU leather fitting and it's matte finished. It's waterproof. It's really nice. And you can see because the cover, the inside is cardboard. After printing, it's a little bit curved. See, it's a little bit curved. It's not flat. Yeah, but doesn't matter because it will go back soon because if you put it into any places, they always have moisture in the air. So sooner or later it will go back to normal automatically. So you see it's a little bit curved because inside is cardboard. So that doesn't means that this product is faulty. Actually, it is like that because inside is cardboard. Okay, and that's why it's important to make this material to be waterproof. No matter you put water on it, it will not ruin the cardboard inside. And use cardboard is always, make the cost be a little bit down while the finished product looks nice. Okay, let's do the demo and how you insert it in. Okay, this is the insert. It's good quality insert. I think it has 80 pages. Okay, it's easy to insert it in. See? And you always can switch the insert. If you finish the insert, just keep the cover, and to replace a new insert, then you will have a new notebook to go. Yeah, and this insert is ordinary A5. I think you can easily to get it at your local market, stationery stores, or even supermarket. Yeah. You see, it's after printing, it's a little bit shrinkage, it's a little bit tight, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, you just put it in, close it, and use your hand, bend it a little bit, and put it. So now a nice notebook is done. Yeah, it's really nice, right? Okay. This is Sublimation poly material. We have a notebook and pillows. It's a fabric but has pure leather fitting and matte finish and waterproofed. It's designed and developed by LOPO specially. Okay, if you have any interest, please contact our sales. Or if you have any ideas based on these materials to create any new products, let us know. We're always willing to listen. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and we will see you next time.